Hello students, now let's start off with the next chapter, that is fraction. Now first you need to understand what are fractions. Now fraction is the part of a whole. For example, I have taken this box and I have divided it into two halves. Means I have taken this half out of this one single box. So when you take out only a part out of the whole thing, that is going to be called as fraction. Means this is divided into half, 1 upon 2, and this is also divided into half, that is 1 upon 2. So 1 upon 2 is your fraction, where your upper number is called the numerator and number written down is called denominator. Now next you have types of fractions. Look at first fraction, that is your decimal fraction. What are decimal fractions? A fraction whose denominator is 10, 100 or 1000 or any other power of 10. For example, 4 upon 10, 3 upon 100, 7 upon 713 upon 10,000. Now all these numbers are the powers of 10. All the denominators have the power of 10. So these type of fractions are called decimal fractions. Next you have vulgar fractions. Now what are vulgar fraction? A fraction whose denominator is other than 10. Means the number that is not 10 or the power of 10. For example, 6 upon 31. It doesn't have number 10 or the power of 10 as the denominator. So these type of numbers are called vulgar fractions. Third one, you have proper fraction. Proper fraction in which numerator is less than the denominator. For example, numerator over here is 2 and denominator is 3. 2 upon 3, numerator is less than denominator. So these type of fractions are called improper fractions. Next you have these type of fractions are called proper fractions. Now you have improper fractions. Improper fractions are those fractions whose numerator is more than the denominator, or it can be equal to each other. For example, over here numerator is greater than the denominator, 9 upon 2 and 5 upon 5, both numerator and denominator are equal to each other. So these type of fractions are called improper fractions. Next you have mixed fractions. Now mixed fractions are the combination of whole number and a proper fraction. 1 upon 3. 1 upon 3 is a proper fraction, and number that is given over here, this number is called whole number. So the combination of both the numbers, whole number and proper fraction, gives you mixed fraction. Sixth one, you have like fractions. Like fractions having same denominators but different numerators. Such type of fractions are called like fraction. For example, 1 upon 8, 2 upon 8, 4 upon 8, all the denominators are same, 8, 8 and 8. So such fractions are called like fractions. Unlike fraction, fractions having different denominator. For example, 2 upon 7, 3 upon 8, 6 upon 11, 7, 8, 11. All the denominators are different. Such fractions are called unlike fractions. Then you have equivalent fractions. Fractions having equal values in the simplest form. For example, 16 upon 36 and 4 upon 9, you have to check whether they are equivalent or not. So what you have to do, you have to find out the common factors of this number. So both the numbers can be divided by 4. 16 divided by 4 will give you 4. 36 divided by 4 will give you 9. 4 upon 9 is equal to 4 upon 9, which means this fraction is an equivalent fraction.